In this video, we will see how to fix Outlook sign in keep asking for the password and cannot sign in. So guys, if your Outlook keep asking for your password, it's usually caused by the wrong credentials, caches and the account sync problem. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all guys, check your password. Make sure you are entering the correct password. Okay, if fail, then reset your password. Another thing is guys, you clear your browser caches. For clearing the browser caches guys, first of all you simply click on these three dotted. After that guys, go to the option of setting. In this setting section guys, go to the option of history. Here you check and click on the option of delete browsing data and click on the option of caches. Okay, then guys, another step, you remove and re-add your account. For remove and re-add your account, you just go here and go here, and guys, here you see the option sign out and sign in with the different account. So you just click it and you change this. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, so guys, you try to disable VPN. If you are using any VPN, so guys, please try to disable it. It's block your authentication. So turn off your VPN and try again. After that guys, you try to open your Outlook into the incognito mode. So guys, for open the incognito mode, just click here, then new private window. After that, here you simply search the outlook.live and here you can logged in. Okay, this is the way that you can. Then the last thing is guys, you try to enable modern authentication. For enable the modern authentication, you contact the admin for enable the modern authentication in your account. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, add if you follow all the step and still having the issue, so guys, another thing is you forget your password. So guys, for forgetting the password, you simply go to the Microsoft official website, not the Outlook. Okay, after go here, you just open it and click open on sign in sign in section. When you enter the password, sorry, when you enter your credentials, actually I am automatically logged in. When you enter the credentials, so it and under the fields it show forget password. So you just click it and you enter, follow some basic steps like captcha and OTP based from password forget process. Okay, so just change the password and try to log in again. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.